Inline style sheet, by the name only we can say inline. Okay, in the program, I'm not going to write that CSS tags in the under the head. Okay, if you write the style under the head, that becomes the internal style sheet. Then I'm going to use the same CSS tags. Okay, I'm going to use the same CSS tags in the same HTML file, right? So where if we locate that CSS file at what place, that will show that is a inline style sheet or external style sheet. Under the body, sorry, under the head, if I write, that is internal style sheet. Under the body, if I write, that becomes the inline style sheet. Inline means in the line, in the body will write the line, right? Headers will write, so whatever the lines you are going to use in the body part, there for that particular line, if I want to apply some style sheet, for example, see, I want this paragraph P is the one tag we are going to use in the body, right? In front of this body means in front of this line, that HTML paragraph, I want that paragraph to be displayed in yellow color. So what I will do for that, in that line only, in that particular line only, I will use the style sheet, style tags, color or style equal to color, something I will write, right? So P style. For that we have to use what? Style. Style is the keyword, style is the tag, it indicating to the browser that it is using the CSS tags. Okay, style equal to what? Color. Okay, what color you want? Okay, the paragraph you should display by red. Okay, the text should display red, and the text should display at the center. Okay, means something but align. It should display at the center. Okay. But we are giving there. Means here inline state body we are giving, right? Body, in body we are using the paragraph tag. After that I am using some of these things, right? So here what I will do next, I will use this is SVIT Bangalore blah blah blah. I will write some paragraph here. Okay, after this I will close this paragraph P. So what it will do, the style sheet, this is SVIT Bangalore, whatever the content words or statements were written here under this P, all text color will be what? Red color. All text will be red color, and that paragraph will display at the center of your web page, because we use one more attribute, text align center. It will display center in the what? Web page, and the text of that one is what? Red color, right? This is what inline style. For which line we want to apply the CSS, to that line only we are going to write the CSS tag by using the keyword style in that paragraph. Next, I want this H1. Okay, this H1 should be look different. I don't want that the particular statement should be displayed in a black text color, black font color. I want it to display in some other color, right? What I will do for that particular tag H1 followed with style is equal to which color you want, you can use that color. I'll give white. I want that the statement should be display white. That's it. Close. Close. Then close the H1. That tag you should close. Right? So for which line we want to apply the style sheet in the HTML, the same HTML program, in the same body, we are going to give the style sheet. Specifically, we are applying the CSS for that line only. For that line only, we are going to apply the CSS. That is what inline style sheet. Okay, I just show an example to program one. So I will close this part. Till here I will close. Okay, I don't need head also, right? So I will remove this head because I'm not giving any style sheet under the head. If you do the style sheet under the head, it becomes what? Internal style sheet. So I don't want to give this one, right? Head there. So next, in the body, I will give what? I want the background should be some color. Same example, like same thing we are trying to get output. Last two ways whatever we tried, right? So body. So what we have to use? Style. It indicating the browser that it should apply the CSS for this particular statement, for this tag, body tag. Style equal and background. Background color, that is the attribute we are trying to use here. Background color, same thing I will do, green. Okay, this is the CSS tag I want to apply on this HTML tag. Okay, this becomes the what? HTML tag, and this becomes what? Selectors, because this tag we are giving under style. So while taking the name for this, we have to take it as, we have to utter it as like a what? Selectors, but this one is as a HTML tags. Okay, next I want to apply one more style for this this one. Okay, what I will do for this tag, I want to apply the style sheet. So what I will do, I use the style equals what we want to apply. Like this, I want to display what? White color. So color is white. Right. Okay. Next, I just close this. Okay. Then, if you want to display this one, H2, you can use the same style. Equals. If you want to use some other thing, text align center. If you want to use it like a center, you set align followed with colon, then the center. CEN. Okay, just save this, and you will see what output you will get for this program. Close, open with, open. Okay, SVT, where is that? Only this is not applied, right? What happened? Doc type HTML. Did we do any mistake? H1 style equals color white. Then okay, yeah, correct. This we have not closed. Okay. Then here we have closed, right? And we have closed the body also. We have closed the HTML also. Right. Let's check now what output we get. Control S, program, open with moving. Yes, we got it now, right? Now you can ask, sir, you said automatically the browser will come to know what error it is, it will recorrect. As I said, minimum error it will recorrect. Not all the errors it will recorrect, right? So here closing of colon, sorry, closing of double quote is not understood by the browser. So that is the reason it is not displayed the output there. After closing, after recorrecting, we got the output, right? So body style, background is what? Green. So H1, this is SVT college. We are given that statement should be displayed in white color. So it is displayed in white color. And this SVT college, you have to, it should display at the center. So it display at the center. This is what the same pattern, the same output we are going to get in three ways, right? That is external, internal, inline. This is what the location of the styles. This is what the location of the styles.